All right, welcome back. We're on our next challenge. It's called split and remove vowels. It tells us to write a function called split remove. The function should take a parameter called the string, or the str, which contains a string, and it should return a list of the given string with all of the vowels removed. Be careful not to change the case of the string. Also, for the purpose of this function, y is not considered a vowel. So let's go ahead and say def split remove of the string. This is given to us, and we know we're going to want to return some character list at the end. So I can go ahead and say I'm going to need a character list. Now, let's go ahead and say for each character in the string, right, we're going to iterate each one. If that character is not a vowel, if char is not in, what are our vowels? A, E, I, O, U. And we could just double up here. Make sure we get our capital vowels as well. If it's not one of those vowels, then we know that it is valid. We can go ahead and append it. And then in the end, we're just going to return that list, right? So let's go ahead and double check that this is right, and maybe even come over here into VS Code that I have set up, right? And if I have some empty space that I can get rid of here, right? If I say I have a string, right? And this is my string, and I am going to take out the vowels, right? And then I say, let's say that my result is going to say, I'm going to call this function split remove on my character string. It's not a string of characters, that's a sentence. So let's call it a sentence. Right, and then I print out that result just so we can double check this works the way that we would expect it to. Let's come over here into the terminal. We can go ahead and give it an execute, and I can see TH, the I is missing, S, the space is there, the I is missing again. I can see this is a vowel-less sentence, and it generally looks like what my sentence was, and it's in the form of list. So that makes sense to us. That's it for this video, and actually for this lesson as well. We're going to move into the split function challenges next. I'll see you over there.